Master your emotional self. In life, business, and traveling, succeed begin from within. Understanding the law of irrationality help us see how emotions, fear, excitement, impatience can quickly drive our decisions if we are not aware. That's why every entrepreneur, investor, engineer, health professional, and dream builders need to awake the inner antenna, the claim wise, strategic mind that thinks long time and heart with clarity. From key to human nature, here a simple guide for everyone planning grow, wealth, health, or international traveling this year and beyond. Step 1: recognize the basis. We all have blind spots: over confidence, fear of lose, pressure from others. When you see them clarity, they lose power over you. Step 2: beware the inflaming factors. Stress, urgency, social media noise, and emotional stories can push us into rush decisions. Slow down, breathing, ask questions. Step 3: strategize toward bringing out the rational self. Plan ahead, seek expert advice, compare options, think in probabilities, not emotions. This is where smart business move and safe traveling decisions are made. At Saban Best Solution Nigerian Company Limited, we believe that when you master your emotional self, you open doors to global opportunities, international traveling, education, business expansion, and a better future for you, your family. To our clients, friends, and family who wish to travel abroad this year and beyond, let wisdom lead, not impose. Let strategy guide your journey. Contact us, Mr. Oditolu Bolaji Salman, the CEO of Samba Best Solution Nigerian Company Limited, on a WhatsApp call and telephone number 08023600583. You can also send an email to bolajioditolu65@gmail.com. Your dreams are valid. Your future is global. Think clearly, plan wisely, move confidently. Thank you.